Hello YouTube, it is Toya Ruth here with the Divas and the Details, and I'm coming today to show you something that I've been wanting for a very long time. It just took me a while to hit the green light and go for it. I've been wanting a Brandon Blackwood Kendrick bag forever. And I was just kind of like, oh, I have a ton of purses, I have a ton of shoes. And that was previously a really big vice of mine of buying lots of clothes and shoes that I didn't need, particularly in 2020 and 2021 when we weren't really able to go anywhere. So I was like, I'm gonna wear everything that I bought during those years now in 2022 and in 2023, and I'm not buying nothing else. But Brandon Blackwood is an African-American designer. He has these polished, cute, little small handbags. They come with a shoulder strap, but I wouldn't wear it with the shoulder strap. I would just carry it by the short handle, and I finally got one. So I was on Saks's website looking for something else, another African-American designer, or she may just be an African designer. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but Andrea Iyama has like the most beautiful, vibrant swimsuits and dresses and high-waisted pants. And I ordered a dress from her, and then I was like, let me go back to my love section of my profile. And I just kept looking at this bag, and so I finally put it in the cart. And I just wanted to show you, this is the box that it came in. Love that. And when you shop in store at Saks or Neiman, it is a full experience. So whenever you're shopping online, you kind of miss some of that. However, let me put the cap back on. He has not let that depart when you shop online. So this is the outside of the box, just your typical a glossy finish box. But when you look on the inside, this is the attention to detail that we're looking for. It has his name, the company logo in the inner lining of the box. And then a handwritten note of thanks comes in there as well. And I just love this. So it says, thank you for your purchase. Love, BB. Love that. And he is New York based. And then when you open the box, the lining goes throughout the box right here. And I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna take the strap out and I'm gonna take the foam out. But this box has an outline of the shape of the bag. It is a square bag with a handle. And that's how it sat in the box, so that when this is being shipped, your bag is not being jostled around and it's not getting messed up and bumped and scuffed in transit. So I love that attention to detail. And it also has the logo lining in the box. If you were to remove all of this foam, it has his name in there. I'm like, I've never seen a purse come with this shape of the purse in the packing foam so that nothing happens to your bag. Then it's in another protective like canvas bag with his name on there, Brandon Blackwood, New York. And then let's open her up. I'm so excited. So I got the Kendrick bag in the Croco detail with the gold, Croco texture with the gold detail. And so I'm just going to show you that. This is what the bag looks like. It has the Brandon Blackwood name, New York, on it. The top of the opening, the class, is a big B. And then I should have brought something to tear off this foam. So bear with me while I get rid of the, okay, this is gonna be a little bit barbaric, but I'm just trying to get it open so you guys can see. Didn't think that through. So this is a true authentic unboxing because I was struggling to get it out of the packaging, but at least you know that I didn't like pre-unbox it and already had an idea of the bag. These are truly my first impressions of this bag. I will say I love the texture of the bag. If you have like a little black dress or even a colorful, like I would wear this with a green dress or a red dress, the texture can come solely from your bag. And so I'm gonna get that piece off later. I'm gonna cut that off. But this is what the bag, I left the tag on it and everything. But this is what the bag looks like. So cute. And I would carry it like this. Even though it comes with a shoulder strap handle, this is polished and fabulous, like just like this. Now, this is not a large bag. It's not meant to be a large bag. I'm just gonna show you how I open it. So that's the clasp. You open it like this and it opens up. It's not a large bag. It doesn't have a wide mouth opening either. I would say this is large enough to sit a full size, like fairly large cell phone. Like if you have an Android, those are the larger cell phones. I have a Galaxy S22 Ultra that would fit in here. I would put an ink pen in here. I would put, I have a little black like credit card wallet where I can fold money and stick it in there. I would put that in here. Probably a couple lipsticks, a compact, and some perfume. That's all that's gonna fit in here. But if you were going to like a sporting event, like the Super Bowl or the All-Star game, this would be perfect because it is the regulation size, a tiny bag to get in. Otherwise, if you had a larger bag, it would have to be clear and see-through, but this would work. This would work for a concert as well. And this is just a cute, like, corporate bag to take with you for work if you work in the office. And I just think it's adorable. I think this is high quality. I like the grommets on the bottom. It has like the little protective like silicone to protect the bottom. Of course, you can pop that off and you can see that polished gold. But I'm like, attention to detail, high quality. This is a sturdy bag. I'm just so happy with the purchase. So he sells at high-end retailers, for example, like Saks, but he also sells directly from his website. He has trunk sales though, so if his bags are selling out pretty quickly, just pay attention to the website, like or love it, and get on the mailing list so that you can have access to, you know, his bags whenever they come out, and you can get them directly from the website. But I just wanted to show you, I just love this bag. Yes. Brandon Blackwood Croc Kendrick bag, and I'm just so happy with this purchase. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content that is related to fashion, makeup, perfume, or hair, then please like and subscribe. I'll have some links to my other popular videos in the description box. And please share this with others and support Brandon Blackwood. No, this video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, but I just like quality designs and attention to detail. So thanks for watching. Bye.